2003 Lexus GX 470. Didn't come with any infotainment system, outdated, and we add backup camera or Tesla screen. .25-inch Tesla screen fitted perfectly fine into the dash. It retains all the factory function on the climate control, so you can use all those climate control functions by touchscreen, or you can use them on these buttons on the side. By going to reverse, it shifts automatically to the backup camera. Apple CarPlay Android Auto is available for these units. Go to closest gas station.
Head south toward Conrad Crescent.
It's wireless Apple CarPlay without connecting your phone to any USB connection.
Turn left onto Conrad Crescent, then turn right onto Hobbs Gate.
You can download any apps that you want from the Play Store. Built-in DSP. You can customize it the way that you want. Two USB ports that you can play multimedia.
Are you freaking out? No. Yes, you are. Somebody just walk me through what we supposed to be doing. Just when you didn't think it.
Fully compatible with the steering wheel controls.
Getting better, huh? Here we go.
Fully touchscreen,
from the Gardner to Dundas, that first section,
and you can use the
very slow as you come
normal
up.
options
So take
such
it
as
home,
radio,
if you're, looking to go to the
and you can change the channels with the steering wheel.
north of Dundas. Don't you could join at Dundas. I think if you do that, you'll just squeeze past this collision.